find the one that you saved, this one. Then that way you have that chart here. Hello there, welcome to a MetaTrader 5 tutorial in which I show you how you can change a chart from this one to this one. So it is a simple tutorial how to change the background and remove these grids. So the first thing you need to do, let's say that you have a lot of charts here or you don't have a chart here. So I can start by removing all the charts, and then I will add the first chart. As you can see, we have a chart here. Now I can still add another chart, and then I will choose this one. So I have chosen that one, and then I can arrange them here. So I just use this to arrange them here. Now the next thing I need to do is right click, just choose one chart, or you can use this one to choose. Just use this one to choose, and then right click, scroll down, and then to the properties. Here we have the chart and you can modify it. Now here we will start by changing the background color. So the background color, you can change it to something that you like. For this, I just change it to this, and then I'll now start changing the grid if I like them, but I don't like the grid being here. So I'll just remove them before I change them here. Now let me first add this one and remove the grid. So to remove the grid, just right click, and then we have the grid here, remove it. Then let's right click, go back to where we were. Now here I will first change the bar up. The bar up, I give it a blue, and then the grid none. Then we have the foreground. The foreground are the ones that are showing the prices and the dates. So this one I'll give them a green, and then we have the bar down. I'll give it a red, and then we have the beer candle. I give it also a red, and then we have another one which is a bull candle, that is a blue, that way. So you can see we have a smart chart here, but I can still change the background if I see it is not satisfying. So I just try to change and find a background that does not disturb my eyes. So let me change this foreground because I can see it is not appealing. That way we have a very nice chart, as you can see. So if I need to transfer this chart to this one, there's a simple strategy that you can use, which is you just first right click, and then you go to templates, then save that template so that you can be using it from time to time instead of creating every time. So you can just name it randomly, or you can give it a name that you will not forget. So if I want to transfer those settings to this chart, I just choose the chart using this one, or just tap on it and then right click, come here to templates, then you will load and then find the one that you saved, this one. Then that way you have that chart here. So this is just as simple as that. So thanks for watching. If you do not have any broker account, I have a full list that I recommend in the description, so check them out. Thanks for watching.